Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We can see this kind of anime videos in social reels videos and get more than 10 million views. Let's find out how to create them and animate it. You can see, this is my created anime pictures using AI. I created this images with Leonardo AI. When we're using free version we have 150 credits per day, and they are public generations and cannot unlock more features. But you get premium. We can generate quality images and keep them private. I am not going to show you how to create an account in Leonardo. Let's create an image now. Now we can see like this interface. If enabled legacy mode. Just off it, we don't need that creating anime images. Choose preset to anime. Then select image size. If you are going to create for Reels video, choose mobile size. And how many numbers images should generate. Now, main important thing is better prompt. I have animate prompt in video description. You can make changes it and create more cool images with that. Let's create images now. Click generate button. After few seconds we can see cool anime images. See, I got lovely anime images. We can animate these images from Leonardo also, but sometimes we got quality drop. That's why I am going to animate these images from another website. This AI website let's animate our image. We should create an account for this. When sign up we have free 100 credits. It enough to animate one image. If you are interested about this site, you can buy premium. Upload image for this site and animate it. It's easy to animate. We can see now it's of simple motion animation. We can change the motion type, speed and length also. When we're done, we can export it as MP4 video. This page, select video quality. When we had 60 frames per second it cost more 40 credits. That's why I told you 100 credits enough for one video. Video is ready, Comment me below, does it worked and got chance to create more cool images. Subscribe me to watch more cool videos. Thank you for watching us. See you again.